What's up, guys? This is Jay's from Jay's Automotive, and I'm just wanting to talk to y'all today about a 2021 Chevy Colorado Z71 air compressor replacement job. I didn't see any videos online about it, and man, this thing is a bear. I just want to show to y'all what I did to get it out. Stay tuned. So the compressor, you can't get it from the top at all. It sits up under all of this stuff, right? So real quick, show you how I got it out. All right, it sits up in here. This stud is the last bolt. The first two bolts are pretty easy. This is the compressor right here. These two bolts are easy. It's this one here that sits on that stud. And to get it out, I had to use this tool right here. Rigged it up. There's two extensions with a 13 millimeter on the end of this swivel head right here. This type of swivel head. And how I end up getting it, I came, you see this boot here from this rack of pinion, and I just went up over top of that, like that. I don't know if you can see that up there, moving around. This is really the only way to get that last bolt out. Sorry it's not clear. Let's see if I can focus. Well, that's the stud, and then that's just how you sneak it. You sneak it up over that boot. So this is what you need to get. Hope it helps somebody.